How does a foreclosure affect your security clearance? I'm Lathe Lavada with the Lathe Lavada home selling team. If you have a security clearance, it's best to take action quickly. Foreclosure is the most challenging issue against the security clearance outside of the conviction of a serious misdemeanor or a felony. If a borrower has a foreclosure and is a police officer or security officer in the military or the CIA or any other position that requires a security clearance, in almost all cases, clearance could be revoked and your position may be terminated. On its own, a short sale does not challenge most security clearances. If you or someone you know has a security clearance and is facing foreclosure, please call the number on your screen for a free consultation. If you like this video and want to see more, please visit www.mrshortsalenv.com/FAQ.